Time for another fun video. What do we have here? XS Power, brand new lithium battery. Got this one in the mail here, and I'm telling you guys, is this thing ever lightweight? This is the Titan 8 series. You can see all the specs on the front there. Comes with a nice little decal, some hardware. But most importantly is the lightweight. We're gonna go ahead and weigh this thing, and I'm gonna talk to you guys exactly about how lightweight this is. Battery size is very similar to what's in the car right now, but we'll go ahead, we'll swap them out and go from there. Okay guys, let's go ahead and throw it on the scale here quickly. 9.6. Very impressive for a battery this size to weigh only 9.6 pounds. So let's go ahead, get the other battery out, throw that one on the scale and see where we stand. Okay guys, so as you know, or maybe you don't know, the factory location for the battery's in the trunk here. So I've got the trunk lifted up. You can see factory battery comes with a nice little handle to lift this heavy guy out. We're going to need a 10mm socket and wrench to get this off. Also, if you notice, you have a strap that runs around the battery here that you can just take off at the corner there once you loosen it up. And last thing but not least, with these old batteries here, they actually come with a vent tube. So before you pull your battery out, make sure you pop this vent out. It's just at the end of the battery here. So let's go ahead, get this thing disconnected and get it out of here. That vent tube I was talking about. Last but not least, we're going to need to get this 10mm hold down bolt off. Now let's go ahead and get this battery out of here. Okay guys, back to the scale. Let's go ahead, see how much she weighs. There you go guys, 44.7 pounds. It's no joke guys, these batteries are heavy. Let's go ahead, get the new one installed. Just wanted to show you guys a quick side-by-side comparison of the two batteries. Very similar in size, both the same width, but as you can see, the new battery is slightly shorter, but heights, width, everything else matches. And one other thing I will let you guys know is when I did purchase this battery, for some reason, they do not come with these posts. So you've actually got to go out and purchase these posts separately. They come with the hardware to screw in the posts, but no posts. So that's something just to make a note of when you do order the battery. I guess it gives you the options for different types of posts that you'd like to use on your car setup. But just keep that in mind, that you've got to order those posts. Okay guys, now that we have the battery installed, we've got a whole bunch of extra room here. As you can see, the battery hold down will not work. So you guys know me and how I love to use aluminum. I just made a real simple flat plate of aluminum, 3 3/4 inches long. And I was just able to use the measurement here. I took this, lined it up, drilled a hole where I needed to, added the distance for the battery to hold down. So super simple plate. So just a plain piece of aluminum that I have here. It works just fine. So let's go ahead and get it installed. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and grab the strap. You can just take it right at the end here. There's a little clip that it slides through. Make sure it's nice and straight. Go ahead, line it up, hold on tension here. Make sure she's snug as a bug. There you go. Let's go ahead, add power to this beast now. Okay guys, she's alive. Got everything plugged in here. We've got lights. Let's go ahead, fire it up, see how she sounds, make sure everything's working correct. Okay guys, I just want to show you something. So anytime you replace your battery, you're gonna get this funky screen that looks differently than any other screen that you normally have in your vehicle. This is perfectly normal. The same goes for your tune. If you have a car that's been tuned, you will not lose your tune. It is saved in the ECM, TCM, so you're fine there. So I just wanted to show you. So when you go ahead and replace the battery, this is normal. Probably the next time that I start the vehicle up, it'll be back to normal. Okay guys, there we go. Got our screen all fired up here. Everything works as it should. All the controls are back to normal, as you see. So I hope this helped you guys out a little bit. Stay tuned for some track days. We're going to go out and actually test some of this lightweight stuff we've been putting on the car here to see if we can pick up a 10th or two. Thanks as always for watching. Bye.